and he became a Taiwan today. Right, Thai? Why did he become a Taiwan today?
Oh, I saw many things in my life. I realized that, I have a confession to make. A lot of the songs that sometimes I ask myself, how did I write those songs? And I don't have an answer for it, but I know that my Lord and Savior has always been with me, and I think He helped me. So I'm in a better place today. Maybe in the future, I'll sing a lot more worship songs and a lot more other songs for you guys too, So.
So God has done so much for him. And even though he's well known to you guys, but deep in his heart, he was lost. But because of Christ, gave him a new way of life. Because of Christ, gave him a new life. And because of Christ, he become Taiwan. And lúc bây giờ Thái rồi, đó là hồ Thái Yên. Để bộ xã bảo thì giờ đi cha, để thì hồ Thái Yên. Để mong mà bé sự tìm bé lo mà thì bé chỉ lúc bé cho ổn định nữa ya. Đó là Thái Yên mà cho lúc bé Yên đó tổ cá nữa ya. Ok. Tôi giờ này sắp bố nó chỉ nên nhớ được coi bên được kia tới giờ đi trả điều họ chỉ cho yên thái rồi cho họ thái yên nữa ok right this is a testimony right okay chỉ ta đấy bên đây nó Hmong copycat and it no longer become Hmong copycat anymore they moved copy Christ okay bên đây nó tụi nó okay right
She don't say you want to do. She don't say you. Could you say you joke Could you say you chinyo okay? Or is she
nó đừng gì bên ngoài bên ngoài lúc church nó bên đó thì bên chính nhất bên nó bên kia bên hoa chủ ở lúc Sunday thuộc có im mong we're not too far away from here bây giờ nó chỉ sẽ sát bỏ xứ and you guys are welcome to join us and to hùng câu nó bên hoa chủ and nên sáng nó hùng câu gì nó sẽ come to Home Grace Bible Church and bây giờ kia bây giờ tôi yêu bị giáo Grace Bible Church. And you are welcome to join us. Welcome to know Jesus. Welcome to ask questions. Okay? And pretty soon you will be winning as well too.
Thank you.